Do you know what a good stock photo costs? 5, 10, 20 euros. Now imagine having an unlimited photographer and graphic designer available 24/7 and working for free. Yes, you heard that right. Completely free. If you run a business or manage its social media, you're constantly on the hunt for visuals. Photos for posts, graphics for ads, banners for your website. Visual content is king, but your budget is, let's say, tight. Hiring a designer for every idea just isn't feasible. And free stock photos? Let's be honest, they're often bland and everyone uses the same ones. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your own images. These will be unique, professional, and custom-made for your brand, all without spending a cent. We'll be using an incredibly powerful and free tool from Microsoft, Designer, which is now part of Copilot. You don't need to be an artist or a tech expert, you just need an idea. Let's get to it. Accessing your free design studio. First things first, where is this amazing tool? It's really simple. Just go to your browser and search for Microsoft Designer or type in copilot.microsoft.com. No tricks here. You sign up with your Microsoft account, which is free, and you're in. This is your blank canvas where the magic happens. Don't worry about all the buttons. We'll focus on what's essential. The art of the prompt. Just like with ChatGPT, here we give commands using text. The key is to describe the image you have in your head. Think as if you're explaining the shot to a photographer. The more details, the better. Let's start with something for social media. Imagine you own a coffee shop. Don't just type a cup of coffee. Be more descriptive. See the difference. A latte art coffee cup, top view, on a rustic wooden table. Next to it, a freshly baked croissant and a pair of sunglasses. The lighting is warm and morning-like. Professional photography style. Vibrant colors. Hit generate and boom! Look at that. The quality is incredible. You'll get several options to choose your favorite. You won't find this kind of image on a free stock photo site. Now it's your turn. Think about your product or service and describe it with plenty of detail. Give it a try. Images for converting ads. Now, for something more commercial. We need an eye-catching image for a Facebook or Instagram ad. Let's say you sell natural cosmetic products. A young woman of Mediterranean ethnicity smiling with fresh, luminous skin. She's holding an amber-colored serum bottle. The background is a blurry blend of green leaves and natural light. The image should convey freshness and confidence. Beauty photography style. See, we're not just describing the scene, we're describing the emotion we want to convey, freshness and confidence. This one is perfect. It's professional. It gets the message across, and most importantly, it's unique to your brand. You can generate variations until you find exactly what you're looking for. Say goodbye to using the same faces as your competitors. Okay, generating individual images is great, but what if I told you that you could create a complete design for a post with text and everything in one go? This is where Microsoft Designer gets wild. Check out this super prompt. We're not just asking for an image, we're asking for the complete design. Create an Instagram post to announce a summer sale at my online clothing store. The post should include an image of a smiling girl on a beach wearing a colorful summer dress. Add text that says "Summer Sale" in a striking font, and below it, smaller text that says up to 50%. Link in bio. The design should be cheerful and vibrant. And now, witness the magic. It doesn't just give you the photo, it gives you complete designs. You get the image, the text, the layout, everything ready to download and publish, and you can edit it. You can change the text, move it around, adjust the colors. It's a graphic designer and an image generator, all in one and free. This is the secret to creating visual content at lightning speed without sacrificing quality. No more excuses. You now have the power to create a visual universe for your business without it costing you a thing. The only limit is your own imagination. If you found value in this video, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and drop your questions and comments below. Your engagement fuels our drive to keep creating high-value content for you. We'll see you in the next AI business video.